I love you. You sexy, okay? Oh my God, like look at how sleek and chic this bad boy is. Oh my God. What's up, beautiful people? It's Latika here, and I am back with another video. I am such a nerd. But anyway, I'm back with a super fun and exciting video today. I'm doing an unboxing. I ran a couple errands and I picked up something that I'm so excited about, and I'm getting ready to pull up my notes in my iPad because your girl, her memory is shot, okay? So anyway, today I'm going to be unboxing my 13-inch Mac Pro, and I am so excited. So here she is. Oh my God. When I tell y'all I've had to have so much self-discipline to not open that when I walked in this door, okay? So yeah, first let's talk about why I purchased this. So currently I'm using an iMac. I also have, of course, my iPad. This is like the newer like iPad Pro, and I got it because I thought that it would like replace my MacBook, which I also have a MacBook, but it's so old. I've had it since like college, and literally if I don't have it plugged in, I can't use it. So it is just so old, and it was time for something else. So I purchased this like a year or two ago. But like I said, like it totally did not replace that. I love it. I love this iPad so much, but it did not replace it and do the things I needed to do. So here we are again a year or two later, and I had to buy something else. And also too, my iMac is like getting up there too. So I don't know, it's probably like 6 years old or so, and I can tell that it's slowing down like tremendously. So we're overdue for a new computer, even though I'll still be using like my iMac sometimes, but this Pro is gonna be my new baby. So here we are with this bad boy, and let's go ahead and open this thing up. I'm so excited, okay? So the packaging is super chic, super clean. That's just Mac for you, or Apple for you. Here is like the little tear thing. So, oh gosh, look at that. No idea why I'm making these weird noises, but oh my God. Oh my God, guys. Okay, as far as the specs, it's a 13-inch MacBook Pro with the Apple M1 chip. I don't know what the heck the M1 chip is, but it's something new that Apple just did. So supposedly it's supposed to make it like super fast and super amazing. So it has the Retina LED backlight display, 2560 by 1600. Y'all listen, okay, y'all probably don't even care about all that, but that's like, it has a ton of like features or whatever. So I'm so excited. So now I wonder if it's this way or that way. Y'all ready? Because I am. Come on. Oh my gosh. Y'all, Mac does an amazing job with their packaging. Like, even the packaging is like insane. And I look at everything like that because I'm such a like marketing and like branding geek. And I just love it. It's so sleek and chic and simple. Like, you don't need to do a lot for people to get the point. First thing that we see is the actual computer. So it has like a little tab that I can, oh my gosh. I know, I'm so crazy. I mean, oh my God. Like honestly, you would have to know my story to know why I'm so happy about this, because like literally maybe like a year and a half ago, like your girl was over here struggling. I'm not even gonna lie. Like I was depending on someone else to make things happen, and just a pro tip, don't ever do that. But I'm so proud of myself because like in the shortest period of time, I got myself all the way together, and now I'm like just in such a good place. And to not even like materialistic wise, like I literally got my finances together, my businesses together, my life together, just like everything. I really got everything together. So for me to be able to just like go in a store and be like, yeah, let me get that, like, it's such a blessing. It's such a blessing for me, but that's besides the point. No, it's not besides the point, because thank you God, first and foremost, for making everything happen for me. But we're here to do an unboxing. So here's the computer. Oh my God, it's lightweight. Oh my gosh. And this is the MacBook Pro. This is not the Air. So as you can see, it's super thin. Oh my God, y'all, I'm so happy. So I got the space gray, and I'm starting to pull this off so that we can actually see it. Okay. Low key, I want to take these rings off because I don't want to scratch my computer, so hold up. I'm not about to scratch my computer. That would be so tight. Alright, so here's my baby. Oh my gosh. We gonna make a lot of money, boo-boo, okay? So I'm gonna open it up. And y'all, this is real love, because like I'm opening it up for y'all to see first. Oh shoot, hold up. It turned on when I opened it, okay. So I'm just going to remove this. Oh my God. I love you. You sexy, okay? Oh my God, like look at how sleek and chic this bad boy is. Oh my God. It's already, okay. I'm gonna sit this down for a second because I wanna like look at what else is in the box. In the box, very simple packaging. Again, you have a charger. This is actually the charger that my phone and my iPad use. So it's that, I don't know what it's called, like the newer chargers, which is cool because I can use that for something else. And then we have the Design by Apple in California. And this is probably just like some little bits and bobs. Got the stickers. I never do anything with the stickers. But yeah, these are just like some instructions, like welcoming you to your MacBook and, you know, where or what everything is. Alright, and then lastly, you have, I don't know what this thing is called, but they always come with these. This is the charger. Guess I'm not really unboxing it all pretty and stuff, but whatever, y'all. I want to use my computer. And that's it in here. So there's nothing else in here. It's like I was really on the fence about whether I wanted to get this MacBook Pro or the MacBook Air. So for starters, the Air is $9.99. So it starts at $9.99, whereas the Pro starts at $12.99. Luckily I was able to get this one for $100 off at Best Buy. I ended up going to Best Buy because Apple didn't, none of the Apples in my location, like none of them had the computers, either of the computers to pick up, which was weird, but I'm like, okay. So I ended up going to Best Buy. So I got it for $11.99, and then of course taxes and all that stuff. And the Air, I mean, obviously it's cheaper, so I really wanted to go with the cheaper one, but then I also didn't want to go with the cheaper one and like wish I would have gotten the more expensive one. So when I got there, Best Buy, they have like everything sitting out so you can like touch it, you can even, you know, type, whatever you want to do. So I went over there and they had the gold, which is what I really wanted. They had the gold Air. They don't make the gold in the Pros, which is weird. So that's how I ended up with the space gray. But honestly, like the space gray is super sexy. So I went in there and I started talking to the guy, and he like actually wasn't one of the Apple people. He just happened to be in the area. And he was like, I mean, it depends on what you're gonna do. And he was like, I mean, me personally, if I had it, then I would just spend the extra money to get the Pro. And I'm like, I mean, I got it, bro. No, just kidding. But I was like, I mean, that makes sense though, you know. And then he started showing me the touch bar. So I knew that it had, like, the Pro had the touch bar, but I didn't really know like what the touch bar like entailed. You know what I'm saying? I didn't even know what it did really. I thought it was just like a feature that was cool to have, but like really no point. But when this guy showed me how like you can add like your favorites, so like places that you go to on your computer, websites that you go to, whatever, like you can add them onto that bar. And he sold me after that. I was like, oh yeah, let me get that. Like that's exactly what I want, because I didn't know like the value of what it was until he like broke it down to me. Honestly, I think it's worth it. And for what I do, you know, I have an online boutique. I'm starting back up doing YouTube. So I really like want to make this like my work day, you know? So I am so excited that we should name her. Like, what do we want to name her? Are we gonna, is this gonna be a man or a woman? Because he is sexy. So drop some name suggestions in the comments so that we can name my new MacBook Pro. I feel like that's it for what I need to say, but now I'm gonna go ahead and start like actually playing it. All right, so I changed the position of the camera. This is like kind of like a weird position, but I wanted to like show you all what we got going on. So I'm gonna go ahead and set it up. For watching this video. I am so excited to get started with my new computer. One of the first things that I'm probably gonna do once it gets set up, because it's still doing all the things right now, but I am going to add Final Cut Pro. So I have never used Final Cut Pro. Like, I've literally always have used iMovie for everything when it comes to like editing my videos and stuff like that. But I'm gonna go ahead and make that freaking, I think it's like $300. It's either $200 or $300. I'm gonna make that investment. And I'm actually, whenever you see this video, it's hopefully going to be edited through Final Cut Pro. So I'm super excited about that. I know this angle is a little weird, but y'all, I am using my phone, number one, and number two, like, it's just me, honey. So I just be trying to make it do what it do, and that's just that. I live in an apartment, so, and the lighting is awful in here. When I tell you this lighting, the lighting is so trash. It is what it is. I'm just making things work right now, but y'all, just stick with me. We're going places, okay? I'm so excited, and I'm definitely gonna come back like within the next month. And hey Siri, open the documents and folder. Hey Siri, show my downloads. Hey Siri, what's the weather? Hey Siri, what does the rest of my day look like? Yay, Siri's ready. So yeah, I'm gonna come back within like the next month or so to like give you all a, you know, more thorough, like, was it worth it? It better be worth it, because this is too much money to not be worth it. But yeah, I don't know why I'm still rambling. Thank you all so much for watching, and I look forward to many more videos with you. See you next time.